wouldn't want to live in the beautiful Lake Park community in Kalani? As I drive towards my beautiful home in Lake Park, let me take you through this beautiful house. It's so good to be home again. It's so good to be home after a long time. Wow, this feels so cozy and welcoming. After a long day at work, this is so comforting. I just love to come and sit down here and look at some of the greens outside. It's so beautiful. Just love the feeling of sitting here and relaxing. It's just tranquil. Oh God, I think it's time for me to see what I need to make for dinner today. Wow. This upgraded kitchen wants me to cook every day for my family. Before they get in, I need to start cooking. But this is a new cooking range with a new refrigerator, new dishwasher. So fun to be home and cooking on new appliances. Wow, I'm getting excited now. This is a great place for me to sit down and do some of my evening work. Sit down with kids and do some homework and also eat dinner with them. At the same time, while having dinner, we can look out to this beautiful green or just open the door and go out and play with the kids on this humongous yard. 6,000 plus square feet yard in Kalhani with a townhome. Wow, I am super lucky to be living here. The fresh air just makes me so happy. I am jumping with joy and happiness. Sometimes I just put a chair down that tree and read a book. And sometimes we pretend to camp there. It's so much fun. The kids and I just love being here. Completely renovated bathrooms with a beautiful mirror that makes me look beautiful too. Time for kids to go to bed. So let's go upstairs and put the kids to bed. It's time to put the kids to bed. But I love coming to this room and seeing that big huge swing set there. The kids just love it, and we have weaved so many stories around that swing set. Every night when the kids and I go to bed together on this beautiful bed, all we talk about is the lovely neighborhood we live in and the amount of friends they have around. It's so beautiful. Well, the kids are sleeping now, and I am exhausted and tired, having cooked, having taken kids out to the park. But before I go to bed myself, just wanted to show you the upgraded bathroom that we have upstairs too. New tub. It's so amazingly beautiful. Yeah, let me walk you to my bedroom now. Full of light. Look at the amount of natural light that I get in this room. But I'm just going to put the blinds down and go to bed. I'm tired, exhausted, but just wanted to read a few pages before I slept off. The third bedroom, which you could use as an office, as a playroom. I just do my yoga and meditation here every day when I wake up in the morning. This is where I meditate. So it's up to you whether you want to make it a gym or whether you want it for your kids or you want to use it as an office. The choice is yours. And having the laundry upstairs is a blessing. All I need to do is take out clothes from the dryer and I can just tidy them up here. It's so beautiful. It's so easy to fold my clothes and put them in the basket. It's a gorgeous little home. It's for sale, and if you are looking to buy one, this is the home for you. Or if your friends are looking, send them to our open houses. We have open on Saturday and Sunday, 1 to 4 p.m. Saturday, September 7th, Sunday, September 8th. So see you all at open houses. Come and grab this house before it just goes away.